In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn on the developer options on your Samsung phone. It's an easy Galaxy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's really simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally any Android phone that you have. So all you want to do is go over to your settings application. You can swipe up and then find settings, or you can swipe down on the top right. It's going to bring up your control panel, and then you can go ahead and click settings right there. And then all you want to go ahead and do is scroll all the way to the bottom, and then you're going to see About Phone as one of the options. Once you go ahead and click on About Phone, you're going to see a lot of different options, and you want to look for your build number. You got to tap it 7 times. If you're on Samsung like me, like normally on any Android, you'd see it right here. If you're on Samsung though, what you're going to do is go over to software information, and then you're going to see your build number. So go ahead and tap it 7 times. And as you can see, it says you're 1 tap away from being a developer. Then you got to type in your PIN. Once you type it in, it's going to say allow development settings. These settings are intended for development use only. They can cause your device and the applications on it to break or misbehave. Now it says developer mode has been enabled. So now you just want to go ahead and go back. And then right at the bottom, you're going to see developer options, and then it's going to be enabled and you can change anything over here. And yeah, it's as simple as that.